Right, what you want to do is get you a small screwdriver. We got 4 sets of screws back here we're going to take out. I got a little magnet here so I don't lose my screws. You can use whatever you choose. But you're going to need some alcohol, some Q-tips, and small screwdriver. This screwdriver, it says it's a size 25, but I don't know not any size to get it, but I think you can go all the way down to a size 6, and so just see what fits best. Some alcohol here to clean the sensors on there. All right, now this should just pop up now after you get all 4 screws out. It should just pop up. Get it popped up on one side. Get the other side popped up. Like that. Now this cable right here, you can disconnect it. Just pull it up and it'll slide back down. This is easy. You want to disconnect your battery. And just a little simple connector. Now we got to unscrew the motherboard from this front case using the same screwdriver, but it's a different color screw on mine. Yours may be the same color. The screw is the same size, just to let you know. All right, moving forward. Now, take the little battery housing off real quick. It should just pop up usually. You might have to mess with it a little. Yeah, it just pops out. Now, I don't want to deal with trying to place this back in here once I'm through with cleaning the analog thumb wheels. So I'm going to take all this out at once. Like so, set that aside. This button that came out, it is just an options button. It'll drop back down in here just like so when we get ready to put it back together. And that'll lay right on top of there, but put it back in its rightful place so it doesn't get lost. All right, let's turn the controller back over. Go ahead and remove your thumb things here. Now, what we're going to be cleaning is actually, this is like sensors like this almost, but it's behind here. So what we're going to be doing is removing the green connectors here and here. This one don't have a problem, but since I got it open, I might as well clean it anyway. But what you're going to do is just pry it open slowly. You may have to put your hand underneath to give it some support. But you want to be very gentle with it. I'm going to get the smallest flathead I can so I can get up in there like this here. I'm seeing if you guys can see that. And it opens up just like that there. And as you can see, you know what? I'm gonna grab some tweezers too. I'm gonna pause this and I'll be right back. No, matter of fact, no, I'm not gonna get no tweezers. I'm gonna do this like this here. But what you want to do is you want to clean up around in here with your little Q-tip or some contact, some cleaning solution. I'm using alcohol, like I said. Some little ordinary rubbing alcohol. You see all that grime up in there? Look at that. And you want to do that for the both of them. That front was not too bad. And I don't know if you guys just saw that. That might be my controller's problem. My piece was cracked and actually that fell out. So what I'm going to go do is go grab one from another controller I had apart. And give that a little replacement there. And I'll be back with the other piece. Alright guys, I'm back with my other controller for spare parts here. Let me go ahead and I should have took it off on before camera to save time for you guys, but it's alright. This way you guys will know I am for real using spare parts, that I haven't bought anything. Come on out. Set that all the way to the side there. Excuse me. Okay, once again, move those to the side. All that to the side. Get a little warm. Turn on my fan here. I don't know if you guys can hear the hum from it, but you have to excuse the fan. All right. Now I did go grab my little tweezer so I can reach in there and grab it. All right, get that out the way, move to the side, and let's add our new ones to our controller. Little things are hard to work with, and that's why you need some tweezers. There. That was a hassle. And just snap the green. Okay. Like everything is in there. Option button, share button, everything is ready. Let's put our wrong screwdriver. The bracket for your battery. Connect your battery. Like so. Snap it down in place. Now we're going to put the back side back on it, but remember, you got to reconnect this cable. So you hold it right above it. Push down on it like so. Snap it together. Screw the screws back on. And you're in business, folks. That is how you clean them analog thumb controllers. If you got like a drift or not moving forward, not moving backwards, or any kind of problem with movement from them thumb analog controllers. That concludes the end of this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and peace out.